Hi, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. As always, in the descriptive box below, there are links to various websites if you need more information, including Amazon.com, if you're interested in purchasing any of the 10 best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets book series. The devil and the holiday season in San Miguel de Allende have a long history together. Guanajuato is one of two states in Mexico that often feature the devil in nativities. Oaxaca is the other. According to the president of the International Creche Herald, a creche collector's Bible, there are two theories for this. One, the devil tried to distract the three kings on their trip to meet Jesus. When that failed, the devil joined the kings in their travels and was present at Jesus' birth. Two, the devil knew his rule on earth was over, so he came to Jesus' birth to give up his control. Either way, it can be off-putting to see a life-size nativity with the dancing devil surrounded by actual flames, next to the baby Jesus. But Satan doesn't just stay in the manger over the holidays, he's all over the city. For instance, following a dance-on presentation, dance-on is a style of dance, in the open-air market for the Virgin of Guadalupe, which starts the holiday season, we dancers were sitting and resting while Mass was performed before doing our second show. Naomi, in the pink dress there, is arguably one of San Miguel de Allende's best dance-on dancers, and she was caught up checking texts on her phone and missed when the priest entered the crowd, followed by a holy water-carrying devil. Into the devil's bucket, the priest dropped his wand to then bless the whole holiday season crowd. When the water struck Naomi by surprise, she nearly fell off her seat with her jerky reaction to suddenly being beside a devil. That gave me the opportunity to lean over and whisper, "That was a mighty violent reaction to a couple drops of holy water," while reminding her when you dance with the devil, you don't get to pick the tune. As always, feel free to sign up with the subscribe button below, and you'll get near daily notifications of new videos as they come out here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende Secrets.